Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel IT for You. Today we are going to discuss how to remove Ubuntu Virtual Machine from VMware Workstation 17 Pro. For this you first need to open VMware Workstation. Here you can see my Ubuntu Virtual Machine, which is currently powered off. Here you can see its all configurations. Here you can see its configuration file location. As you can see, all the configuration files of Ubuntu installed here. Now go back to the VMware Workstation. Right-click on Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Remove button. Here a warning appears which is showing this will not delete virtual machine from disk, so we need to do this manually after removing virtual machine from VMware Workstation. Click Remove. As you can see, it has removed from the VMware. Now go to the folder where its configuration files are installed. Select the folder, and click Shift and Delete together. It will give you a message to confirm delete this folder permanently. Click Yes. So, now, Ubuntu Virtual Machine is completely removed from your system. Hope you liked the video. For more related video comment us on comment box, and must subscribe the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon.